Checking the codes on these GE washers is pretty simple. I've already done it on this one. There's the technical data sheet, which is under the bottom. Basically, you get it into standby mode when all of these are blacked out. You'll hit the button and turn it 180 degrees and release it. Now you're in the diagnostic mode when all lights are flashing. This unit had about 9 codes. Long drain clearing algorithm, so bad pump, like we've talked about before. But checking the codes is this next one click to spin, and now you can check the codes. Obviously there's no more in there right now, but that's it. All right, so there was no codes, but if you wanted to clear the codes, you go 16 clicks or all the way to that one light and hit the button. That's how you clear the codes. Now, this one right here is one I use a lot to check the drain pump. As you can see, it's working. This one with these two soak, wash, and spin is the lid switch. So when you hit that, when the lid's closed, it'll show rinse. When you lift it, it'll show spin. So the lid switch is checking good. That's another common failure on these units. But yep, just needed that little drain pump. 3 screws, 1 hose. Thanks for watching. The codes are in binary with the lights, so that's how you can read the codes there. And then come down here, and here's a chart of the 26 different codes. And this one goes to 26. Some of them go to, I think, 35 or 36. But going into that other side, tells you how to get into the field service mode, and these are all the tests that we were going through. Pretty good stuff. This is the underside. That's that technical data sheet I was telling you about. But usually there's a plastic sheathing over this. But with that off, you can see the belt. And that's that pump we were talking about. 3 screws and that plug there. First thing I do with all these new washers, with all the electronic control boards, find the technical data sheet. Got to pull the codes, but you got to read through the codes because some of them are bull. This last one was 9 codes. Ended up being a drain pump, which is quite common, and they're not outrageous. We stock them. But if that helps you, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.